When your Twitter account is suspended, you'll still be able to open the app, but you won't be able to browse or search normally. To start the deletion process, open Twitter and go to the top left menu, then scroll down to Settings and Support and select Help Center. Once you're in the Help Center, type Delete in the search bar. You'll see an option about how to delete your account. Click on Deactivate Account. From there, choose Deactivate or Close My Account. You'll be given several options, including regaining access, reactivating, deactivating, or appealing a suspended account. If you want to appeal your suspension, you can choose that option. However, if you simply want to close or delete your suspended account, select I want to deactivate my Twitter account. If you can't access your email or login information, you can explain that in the form. Then choose This is a personal account and describe your situation clearly. For example, my account is suspended and I would like it to be deleted. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit. Twitter's support team will then review your request and respond via email.